Today we'll have a relative who will be a communist, who will be a mushrik, who will be against Islam, who will be making shirk and bid'ah and kufr, and we'll be like, no, we have to. He's fighting Islam. No. He's my cousin. It doesn't matter. Islam is our relationship. Kufr breaks our relationships. Look, we want to have ikram for da'wah and things. But you see a Muslim who's a murtad, who's fighting Islam, and you want to make ikram for them? No. This is what happened to al-wala wal-bara. You could be from my enemy tribe, you could be from somebody I hate, but if you're a mu'min, if you're a Muslim, you are my brother, you are beloved to me. You could be my own father. If you fight Islam, I will fight you. This is the way a Muslim has to be. There is a line between Islam and kufr. And if somebody crosses that line and fights Islam, we are done with them. Even if it's your own father.